Hello, everybody. Thank you very much for coming back again, and thank you for subscribing. Well, today I'm going to talk to you about business card etiquette. How you present your business card will make you or break you, because there are a whole lot of organizations all over the world who put a lot of emphasis on how you present your business card. What is a business card? It is basically your introduction. So it's a reminder for a person when you're not around, they'll look at your business card and they'll know who that person was. So this is actually indirectly you on paper. So the kind of respect you would want to give yourself or receive from other person, that's exactly what you're going to give to your business card. So first and foremost, develop a great business card. Okay. So what should your business card have? It should have the name of your company, your name, your logo, what you do, your designation, a little bit of a snapshot about exactly what you do. If you want to show some achievements, you can add that. It should also have your address, your telephone number, your email ID, and if you have a website, all that will come in that. And traditional cards are normally white in color. Basically, people prefer to use just two colors. But there are people who are creative who can come up with any kind of a design and very as creative and as many colors as they want to. They say white is traditional, red cards show leadership, but it's all about your own persona and about your personality of the company you're representing. Accordingly, prepare your card. Now, when you present your card, there are different ways all over the world, but the most common one is the Oriental way of presenting your business card. And in the Oriental way, what you do is, I'm extremely sorry to be turning around, this is somebody else's card. So in the Oriental way, what you do, you have this card. So what you do, you hold it from two corners and these three fingers rest under it. Okay, so you present it like this to the other person with the writing facing them. Okay, and then just bend down slightly as you present that card. And if I'm receiving it from you, I will also bend down and I will receive this card from you. And once I receive this card, I'm actually supposed to look at it. Look at the card. If you find something interesting, comment on it. If you find that the name is very difficult to pronounce, just say, how do I pronounce your name? Wow, great, wonderful, great to know you. And keep that business card in front of you throughout the meeting. And if there is no meeting and you're just getting it, then always invest in a good business card folder. You get all kinds of folders in metal, in see-through ones, you get them in leather. So you keep your business cards inside this, and when somebody asks for your business card, you take it out from this and then give it. Because if you keep your business cards in your pockets or so, the ends will be all torn, tottered, and it just doesn't look nice. So it's very important that when you give your business card, you've given the respect by keeping your business card in this. So when you receive somebody's business card after your conversation is over, whatever meeting is over, then you'll put your business card inside this folder, maybe in front of that person, showing that I'm giving you the same respect as me. And please, a lot of people take the business card, put it in their wallet, then put that wallet in their back pocket and then sit over it. And that's the worst insult you can give to anyone, that you're sitting on their business card right in front of them. Do not scratch or put any scratch on the business card, because that's the person's face and you're scratching that face. Don't do that. If you have to write something, write it at the back, not on the face of the card. And of course, as I said, that give your business card to only those people who you think it's necessary. If you keep dishing out your business card to every Tom, Dick and Harry, it's sure to land up in a dustbin. And in case there is somebody who's not given your business card and you want one, in a very polite way you can say, in case I want to get in touch with you, how can I do that? And that person, if he wants to give it to you, he will say, oh, I forgot, and he'll give it to you. Or he'll say, don't worry, I have your card, I'll get in touch with you. So these are some tips on business card etiquette, and till I meet you again for my next session or a next little tutorial, till then, sayonara. Stay safe, stay positive.